Is this a kind of a cultural phenomenon, or has this been researched and studied, and we have some tests for this, and we can put a scale on it, or
Yeah,
do
it's tough.
something like that?
Well, we talked about this before. You've done them as well. We can certainly test people for their IQ. We give people WACEs, and we can determine IQ. And folks who may be, you know, 99 percentile. Let's say that's the percentile for folks who are neurodivergent. Then they may, there may have been some research on this about what the effects of socialization for individuals like that. There may be. I mean, there's also the part that these sorts of constructs get latched on, and everybody sort of makes use of them in a messy way, right?
But beyond that, what's the definition really? I mean, is there a range? Are we talking about a scale that we can look at? I guess I'm
Yeah, I
kind of fixed on that.
I would assume that if that there are like, how would you measure what? I mean, on something like the waist, there's that bell-shaped curve,
Right.
and anybody who's on the tail, either tail of the curve, would be a divergence. And cognition in of itself has a
Right.
neurological basis, so those individuals will be, quote, neurodivergent. So there's one marker, I would assume.
All right. All right.
Folks on the
Makes
autistic
sense.
spectrum also could be considered neurodivergents.
Right.
Attentional deficits or executive functioning differences may also generate neurodivergence, I
Okay.
assume. All those may be category. I think in this case, with this article, it was more along the line of cognition. If you reach a certain level of IQ, then the way in which you fit in the world may be compromised by the fact that you think different than other folks.